Hello guys, we are on a date with the launch of the wonderful iPhone 15 series in a few weeks, so before we mention the leaks and details, we ask you to support us by subscribing and pressing the like button. And now to mention the details, the series will be of 4 copies, 2 6.1-inch phones and 2 6.7-inch phones. The phone will come with a frame of titanium, which will be lighter and stronger than aluminum and reinforced steel. The screen will come with the thinnest edges for a smartphone in the world, where the interface will be a full screen and the dynamic island at the top of the screen, and the dynamic island will be in all series phones. As for charging and battery, the phone, for the first time in Apple devices, will come with a Type-C port, not Lightning. The processor will definitely be a Bionic 17 with a 3nm architecture, and it is known that the power of processors in Apple is unparalleled in terms of stability and performance, and the completion of very difficult tasks and battery consumption will be less. And as for the third leak, it is about cameras, as the iPhone 15 Pro camera will come with 5x optical zoom, and it is the first iPhone to shoot 8K video at 60 frames per second with optical stabilization support. And as for the charging speed and the charger, we know for sure that the Type-C will be better than the Lightning found in Apple devices such as the MacBook, as it is characterized by the fast charging feature. The charging speed may be starting from 40 watts in the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max phones. The fourth leak is that the iPhone 15 Pro phones will come with 8GB of RAM, and the regular iPhone 15 and 15 Plus phones will remain on the RAM 0.6GB. So the applications will be more smooth in the background. As for the fifth leak, Apple will replace the hard buttons on the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max with tap buttons, which provide tactile feedback, and this change will simulate the feeling of pressing the buttons without moving them. Let's review the upcoming features in the series. Firstly, the Bionic 17 processor with a 3nm architecture. Secondly, a titanium frame, as it is stronger than aluminum in Android devices and the steel frame in previous iPhones. Thirdly, changing the Lightning port to a Type-C port and a charging speed starting from 40 watts. Fourthly, changes in camera and optical zoom. Fifth, change the RAM to 8GB. 5 strong leaks in the phone, which will definitely have a higher price than the iPhone 14 series phones after adding the titanium frame. So these are some of the confirmations and leaks that we got to know in this video, and in the end, this is the Unbox Sebox channel on YouTube. Do not forget to support us by subscribing to receive all new information about smartphones. Do not go far, we will meet the next video.